Okay, this is a 2006 Chevy Impala 3.5 liter V6, and the traction control light, the brake assist light, the ABS light, and the traction control light would come on, and they specifically would come on when you turn to the left. So we looked at the wheel bearing, and it was Charlie 0040, which was the right front wheel speed sensor circuit erratic signal. So we looked at the scan data, the scan tool data, hooked up to Tech 2, and it put out a signal, a wheel speed signal. It measured miles per hour, and it measured it really nice, and it put out a nice scope pattern. We put a lab scope on it as well. So we looked at the wheel bearing for erratic signal. Could it be internal, intermittent? Put a wheel bearing in it. Still didn't do it. So now we start tracing the harness. So there's on the pigtail here, there's a green and a tan wire. Goes up to the electronic brake control module. So we ohmed out, just a simple ohm test, we ohmed out the tan wire, and it was like half an ohm. We ohmed out the green wire between this pigtail and the brake control module, the EBCM, and the ohms were off the charts. So we start tearing the harness apart, and right here where this harness dips down, you can see this green wire right here. It's really tough to tell. You can see it. It was grounding out right there. See it? It was grounding out. Let me see if I can get right in there. Right there, grounding out on the chassis. So that harness just looks to be in really poor shape. So we're going to clean that harness up, cut that bad section up of wire out, and put some new conduit on that, and see if maybe we can do something with that. Because boy, wow, holy cow, that is chewed up. Wow, and there's other wires in there too. So you look at this and you say, oh, it's a wheel bearing. These cars are infamous for wheel bearings. Well, we all make mistakes. A wheel bearing, it was not. So you have to start going to other things. So it's going to be the harness or the brake control module, and turned out to be the harness. So thanks for watching.